Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. You can see today I'm very happy. I took a trade on Euro odd and it was massive, was big profit. The risk on this trade was $20 and I ended up netting about $68. That's good, my boy. That's good, my boy. So I'm gonna take you inside. This is my trading history. You can see this was it. It was a sell trade. You can see my SL and my take profit. So around $68, my boy. It was good, my boy. Okay, I'm gonna take you inside and show you the trade recap, my buyers, everything step by step, so you too can learn, my boy. You too can learn. And apart from that, after this I'm going to show you the NZD, the NAS 100 trade I took. That was around $9 and it was a break even. Actually, it was a break even. But on the next trade I'm going to show you why I took the trade, my everything about the trade. So let's go inside, my boy. Let's go inside, my boy. Okay, welcome guys. My name is Ellington and welcome to the trade recap. The reason why I'm staying under this place, you can see this another computer building, is because it's been like 3-4 days now. We went out of light. There was no power supply in my area, so, and that is very, very terrible. So I wasn't able to trade, so I had to move away from the comfort of my zone to just look for a place I could charge my laptop and my phone so I could make this trade review. Now, after charging them up, I was supposed to make this trade right there, but the noise there was too much. I can't even hear myself, so I had to look for a place that it kind of quiet and just make this. So don't mind the background, please. Just get to the trade. So now this is a trade breakdown of a trade I took on the challenge, 5k challenge, 5k to a million in ProFirm challenge. Now on that account, I don't take trade that is cap. I only take day trading or swing trading. So I'm going to recap the trade I took on this account. It was a profit of $64, $67, risking $20. So it was 3R. And the reason why I was risking $20 because that if you watch my prior video, you should know that I've been on drawdown. So I had to reduce my risks so I could glow it back up. So now let's go. Now coming on the chart. Now on the basis of this trade, I'm going to say this is CRT. It's CRT. It's just CRT. It's just a manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, right? So now if you don't know what CRT is, you can just go look up on Google or look up on YouTube. You can get a knowledge about CRT. So CRT is basically when a first candle accumulates, the second candle manipulates, then we're expecting the third candle to distribute to the target. If the third candle doesn't distribute to the target, then the fourth candle might go, or the fifth candle might go. So now that's the basic of CRT. Now coming on my chart now, this is a weekly time frame. This is candle 1, the green candle. I'm unable to type because my keyboard is bad and I'm not with my external keyboard, so I'm unable to type. So now the range is candle 1. This is the green candle. You can see the highs, and this is the low of the green candle. So this is the typical range of a CRT. Now this first candle has ranged, the second candle has taken the range of the first candle and closed below. Now what this is pointing to us is that, okay, in the next week we might probably see a down movement into this low, or probably into the 50% of this green candle. So that's it. But it's not just this, there's something else you need to add to it. What is it? There needs to be a key level at the swing high. Now you can see from my left, now you can see that there was an IFUG by the left hand side, right? You can see this IFUG. This was FUG before, but price traded below it, so making it into an IFUG. So that is where market went and is rejecting from. So now having this in mind, now I'm anticipating that the next week is going to open. Once the next week is open, it's going to make a high and it's going to drop. That's the basic. So now knowing that now, what I need to do now is to go into this week, mark out my key level. Once I'm done marking out the key level, then the next week opening, I need to wait for price to react from the key level and I find my trade. So now I'm going to go into this now on daily time frame. So coming on daily time frame, You can see this is what we have on daily time frame. You can see this Tuesday price action, this Tuesday price action, and this Monday. So this Monday, this Tuesday, this Wednesday, this Thursday, this Friday. So Tuesday has automatically taken the highs of Monday and closed below. Listen again, it closed below the opening of Monday, making this an order block. But I'm not interested in that. This is if you want to catch the reversal on the C2. But since I'm focusing on this, the candle 3, so on Thursday, deep into those OB, wasn't able to close. It closed bearish, sign of reversal. On Thursday, made the same thing. Okay, that was Wednesday and Thursday made the same thing. Then Friday closed below Wednesday's low and Thursday's low. This low. So now Friday has closed below now, confirming to us that okay, we now have an order block. So if Monday should open, we're expecting Monday to go high into this order block and reject. So that is the basics. So now, having that in mind, now I'm just going to wait for Monday to open. And once Monday open, so now I have my bias to be bearish. So Monday opening, I'm going to stay on the lower time frame and get market structure shift and get into the trade. But unfortunately, I wasn't active on Monday, so because of the light issue, so I wasn't active on a Monday. So Monday played out. So now this was Monday. You can see Monday open right here. This was Monday opening price. It opened. Come on. This was Monday price action. It opened, dipped into this high, into this order block, and it closed bearish. Now, having this in mind, now Tuesday hasn't gotten to this low and hasn't gotten to 50% of this candle. So I'm anticipating that Tuesday is going to open and drop. Now, since the light issue was giving much of a headache to me, I wasn't able to stay on the lower time frame to confirm an entry. I wasn't able to stay on lower time frame. So this was the rest of the Monday's price action. So this was what I did. Okay. I'm waiting for now this was the place Monday closed. So this was part of Monday's swing high. So this was where I said, okay, since I'm not going to be active tomorrow, I'm going to set my limit above this high, and I'm anticipating that on Tuesday the price should dip into this high and my stop loss should be just above these highs. Okay, I think I made it just above these highs, and I was aiming for 1 to 3 RR. I guess this was my trade setup. So I was aiming for 1 to 3 RR. I wasn't holding to. Okay, I think this was it. So I had my entry above these highs as a thought soup entry, and I was anticipating that it shouldn't come above anywhere above this OB. So that's what, because why am I anticipating it shouldn't come below? Because you can see that we have this IFUG here. You can see we have this little FUG here, and if you look deeply, you're going to see that okay, price tested this FUG and it wasn't able to break, and it break below, and we have order block here also. So I'm anticipating that price may take this high, but it shouldn't go above this area. So this was my trade. So, and look what happened next. So this was Tuesday opening. So, and this was midnight. This was midnight Tuesday, I guess. So okay, it wasn't even midnight. Sorry. Okay. So that was the high I was anticipating, and this was London. Yes, this was London. So, and this was a trade tested and consolidated a lot, but definitely it's going down to the take profit. Okay, I guess I guess this wasn't my stop loss. My stop loss should be somewhere above here. Sorry, I'm going to show you the trade. This is not hand side. This is not hand side. I'm telling you, this is not hand side. So I'm going to show you the trade. Okay, I think this is it. So this was where my trade was, and I think I got out around somewhere around here, but I know it was 3 point something error. So now if I had waited, if I had left it, I know this range is going to be filled. You can see the price action for today. So this is typically the trade I took on my 5k to a Millennium Pro Firm challenge, and I'm going to show you the screenshot. Is not cherry picked. I'm not just doing it hand side. I took the trade live, so I'm going to show you the trade, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this breakdown. Please like, subscribe, and share for more.